Welcome to a quick demo on how to integrate vector search using Typesense. This video assumes you already have Typesense instance running, either self-hosted or using Typesense Cloud. To start using the vector semantic search, you will need to install and activate the necessary plugins mentioned in this video. After installing and activating the plugin, you will need to configure both the plugins. You will typically just need the node URL and the API keys.
You will also need to index the post.
Once you have configured both the plugin, you will need to use this shortcode to display it on your front end. Now you can use both semantic and keyword-based search. Do note that this plugin is created for simple implementation of vector search only.
That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful.